Abby.
Jackson.
Let's pretend, kids.
Hey guys, welcome back to Drawing with Miss Violet. Today we are going to do a drawing for St. Patrick's Day. Make sure to like and subscribe. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm going to just draw a circle like normal. Yes, we are drawing a leprechaun. So I'm going to start a smaller circle on this side and a smaller circle on that side. And there. And I'm going to color it in a little bit. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side, but kind of like not that far away actually. Kind of big. And then we're gonna do the same. Like I said, we're going to do the same what we did on the side that we just did. Oh my god, this is cute! I love it. I'm probably gonna do like this. The top of a bowling. No, not bowling ball. The thing that you got over with a bowling ball. I don't know what it's called, but that's what we're kind of do with the leprechaun's nose. Oh my god, that's cute. That's so cute. And then I'm gonna give it hair. I'm not good at doing cutesy hair. I mean, simply freestyle. It's just the eyes that make it unique. Then I'm going to do like some curves. A lot of curves, like maybe that. I'm going to do like 2 half moons without the bottom. I'm probably gonna curve up to the other one. I like this. Honestly, I think it's my I was gonna say it's my favorite, but I'm pretty sure that would be Rudolph. Also, check out that video if you want to see why I like it so much. Now I'm going to draw the actual skin, which is going to be a circle. Happy for Leprechaun. I think this is cute. Honestly, I'm probably gonna make the beard now. So I'm going to start just like doing some curves, like some fluff, kind of what I do with Santa. Just like a bunch of crescent moons. I'll tell you what crescent moons are, but they are they're like half of a moon. I'm going to draw some elf ears, cause like a line, and then I'm gonna draw a curve connecting to the face. Oh, he's so cute! This is what I want. So cute. Love it. I'm gonna start erasing the other ear. Line, curve. So I'm kind of gonna erase the and this is what I got so far. I'm probably gonna do another line to make it look like I don't know, but I just do it to make it look cuter. I honestly don't know what to say anymore. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw half of a circle connecting to the other parts of the body. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw half of a square connecting to a circle that we made. Then draw a line, then a circle, small circle. And remember, they have to be connected, like they can't be over they can't be over anything, because then it would look just like, I don't know, but that's not how I do it. Then I'm going to draw like some triangles connected to the beard, but also kind of close to each other. And I'm going to do some other lines that are near it. But I'm going to draw like a triangle, then a line, then like circle. Perfect. Then I'm going to draw a line on the lower part of his body. For like a belt, I'm probably gonna draw like half a square or circle. Then I'm going to kind of draw like kind of a C, but it's backwards. Kind of small though. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to draw. I think leprechauns have a jacket, honestly. And I'm going to draw a line on the other side as well. And the line at the bottom to end the jacket. Make sure they're connected though. And then we're gonna kind of draw some curves for the arms. Then line at the top. They're gonna do the same as the other side. And then what I'm gonna do now, is we're going to add a 4-leaf clover on the hat, which I didn't do. I'm not gonna draw any 4-leaf clovers. And then we're gonna kind of draw like a thumb on each side. I don't know how to explain it, but a thumb. Yep, a thumb. And I'm gonna kind of draw like a curve and a curve on each side. So we're like, hey, look so much. And then we're gonna kind of draw curve and then line and line. So it's like, hey, look at me, I'm wonderful. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of draw triangles on the jacket. Triangle. And as you can see, I'm wearing green. It's not time to wear green, but I'm still doing it. Gonna draw a line, longer line, and then we're gonna kind of draw. I don't know how to explain just a bunch of lines. Well, that's what it is. I just told you. And I'm gonna make the lines longer. But also get smaller at the same time. Then I'm gonna draw a line that connects to it. Then we're gonna draw some like shoes, like throw line, and then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. That's the shoes. Oh God, it's so cute. I just love him. So cute. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a square and a small square inside. And do the same on the other side. I'm gonna draw some circles that are connected to the face with like cheeks. And I think this is our leprechaun. He's very magical, but I'm probably gonna draw some like 4-leaf clovers that he is holding in the magical air that isn't his. when I don't know, I'm trying to draw something. You don't have to draw the 4-leaf clovers, but I'm going to. Maybe I should make it look like he actually has magic. Like maybe I'll do like some tracing over it, like this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make it look kind of cool. Like I did with Rudolph's name, I made it look pretty cooler. And there we go. We got this. So cute. I love it. Maybe you're gonna draw a line to make it look like he's smiling and like, we can do like 2 lines to make a cartoon like, I'm good when I do the smiley smile. I'm going to draw a pot girl actually, because I decided I wanted to. Of course it has to be gold. Well, I don't know if the glare I have is actually gold. It's kind of like a yellow, weird yellow. Yep. But what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of gonna do like this. I don't know what the shape is called again. And then I'm gonna draw. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna draw like a bunch of circles. Circle. Kind of like the beard, but like upside down. And cut. Just like cut. And we're gonna draw top of a circle, pot of gold. That's what I call it. Pot of gold. Then we're gonna draw some peg legs. Peg. Yes, this is a funny video. Then I'm gonna start doing some coloring. And I forgot to say that you don't have to use pencil. You can use markers, pens, Sharpie. If you're a risk taker, you would do Sharpie. I'm gonna get a brown and start coloring this field. Please cut the sound wrong, because I'm trying to sing. He's looking good. Mash, please. This is amazing. I love this. Also make sure to subscribe, like, check out Jack's True Adventure, Kelly's Corners, and check new videos on Sunday, 10 o'clock. And have a nice day. Good. Bye.